When I was little, my favorite toy were Legos. Legos allowed us to build any of our dreams into reality. And for 5-year-old me, this was building a dream dog that my parents never let me own. As I grew older, I started watching science fiction movies, and I became fascinated by all the sort of futuristic technologies like cloaking devices, holograms, and completely self-driving cars. However, these technologies pretty much only exist in movies. Well, I'm here to tell you that for my PhD work, I study how 2D materials can help us build devices that brings our wildest sci-fi technology dreams into reality. So you might be asking, what are 2D materials and what makes them so special? Well, if I ask you to think of the strongest material, most people come up with something big and bulky like steel. I mean, they even give Superman the nickname, the Man of Steel. However, 2D materials like graphene are 200 times stronger than steel, conduct electricity better than copper, are completely flexible, transparent, and are only 1 atom thin. This means that they are over 500,000 times thinner than a thin sheet of paper. Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, there exists an entire class of 2D materials that are all atomically thin, each with their own unique and extraordinary electrical and optical or light properties. So this means that we truly have an entire new set of Legos for PhD students that allows us to mix and match and physically stack these materials on top of each other to combine their individual properties. And by rearranging the same set of materials, these properties and applications can change quite drastically. We can make all kinds of different light absorbing devices, for example, solar cells or photodetectors like the ones in your cell phone cameras. We can swap, rearrange the stack to make light emitting devices like LEDs for thin, transparent, and flexible displays. We can even pattern these structures and control how the light from these devices interfere with each other, which enables emerging in future light modulating devices like 3D holographic displays, sensing technologies for self-driving cars, or even invisibility cloaks, all on a device that is atomically thin. So by studying the effects of stacking these materials and how the different combinations change their electrical and optical properties, we can not only revolutionize current technology, but also invent technologies that we have never even thought of before. So just imagine how unlocking the power of 2D materials can change our 3D world. Thank you.